Model: 2017 Ford Ranger Double Cab 4x4 Wildtrak 3.2TDCi 200PS needs head gasket. Body: grey 4x4. Mileage: 53,725. MOT: the 28th of June 2024. Engine: 3198 cc 3.220 PS TDCI-A. Transmission: 6-speed manual. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. This still starts on the button and idles perfectly. Grin gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Still pulls in every gear. Nice rare manual version. Thinking face. Condition summary: bodywork is extremely clean and tidy. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy, immaculate, well looked after. Pride and joy. First to see will definitely buy. Features: 1 former keeper, part service history, air con, reversing camera, sat nav, electric window.